Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make beautiful deep taper candles at home step by step. This is perfect for beginners, so let's dive right in. Here is what we will need. 200 grams of paraffin wax, 37.5 grams of stearic acid, 12.5 grams of paraffin oil, a double boiler setup, a mold. I'm using my homemade PVC pipe mold for this demo. I started by cutting the paraffin wax into smaller pieces for easier melting. Then I measure out 200 grams of wax, 37.5 grams of stearic acid, and 12.5 grams of paraffin oil using my digital scale. Precision is key. Next, I placed the paraffin wax in a stick cup and melted it using the double boiler method. Always use low to medium heat and never melt wax directly on a flame. It is safer this way. Once the wax completely dissolved, added the stearic acid and waited for it to melt thoroughly. Then I pour in the paraffin oil and stir gently to ensure everything combined perfectly. Before pouring the wax, let it cool to a temperature between 60 and 65 degrees Celsius. This helps prevent shrinkage or crack in the candle. For the mold, I'm using my DIY PVC pipe mold. If you are making candle as a business, I recommend investing in professional molds for better results. I center the wick in the mold using a simple technique to keep it steady. Once the wax reached 65 degrees Celsius, I poured it into the mold. For a creative touch, I mixed the remaining wax with oil-soluble green color and added it to the remaining molds. Candle comes in different colors. The white, which is the most common among them, the red, black, yellow, etc. It is totally your choice to add whatever color you prefer. Now we wait. It takes about 4 to 5 hours for the candle to cool and harden completely. After that, I carefully remove them from the mold. I repeated the same process, but this time I mixed it with yellow oil-soluble color. By the end, I had three stunning candles: white, green, and yellow. Here is the final result. These simple yet elegant deep taper candles are perfect for decorating your home or gifting. Look at that beautiful flame. Making candle at home is not only fun but also rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy candle making.